I know you mentioned the virtual twin concept, and that's something that you guys do that not necessarily your competitors do, but just out of curiosity, so what exactly does the DELMIA brand bring to the table that its competitors do not? Is it simply this virtual twin concept, or are there other features that really stand out?
Boy, that's a big question because there are a number of things. Let me see if I can think of them all. Part of it is, again, with the 3D experience platform, we're doing everything from a single platform, one version of the truth, from design to modeling and planning to execution. So one of the things DELMIA brings is that ability to be a part of that entire digital thread. Another thing DELMIA brings, particularly on the execution side, is a true manufacturing operations management solution, which is much more than MES. So it in itself is a platform within the platform that includes traditional MES, material handling, quality, everything under one envelope, one umbrella, so that it's much easier for users to learn. It's much easier for you to configure processes that cover multiple areas of the business. Because let's face it, in manufacturing, your guys on the shop floor aren't typically doing just one thing. I may be a production operator, but I'm also doing some quality tests in production. I may be a quality manager, but I not only have to know quality, I have to know what's going on in production, I have to know what's going on the maintenance side, because machine issues can affect quality. So that integration of multiple capabilities is really powerful in terms of making life easier for your users, knocking down silos that tend to exist on the shop floor, and just enforcing and enabling collaboration. The other things that DELMIA provides are some of the simulation that I've already discussed, the ability to simulate processes before they occur, to simulate robots and their processes, and not only simulate them, but simulate them and program them in simulation accurately, so that once you have your process plan, your robotics program working in the virtual world, you can send that robotic program directly to the physical robot and know that it will work as it worked in the virtual world. So it's saving a step. You're not having to reprogram in the physical world once you've done things in the virtual world. We've also extended that to include things like augmented reality. So the work instructions that you've developed along with your process plan and MBOM, you can actually display those on a part, either through a headset like a HoloLens, or through projection, or with a tablet, where you can see on the tablet not only the physical part, but what you need to do on that part, whether it be quality checks or assembly steps or that sort of thing. We can embed automated quality analysis in that. So that integration of broad functionality from a manufacturing perspective, from the virtual twin perspective, and then on into the planning perspective. So the integration with the planning piece. DELMIA, because of its breadth and yet its basis on that 3D experience platform and everything working collaboratively, brings real value from that through that entire process. We call the DELMIA brand the VNR brand, the virtual and reality brand, because that's really where we bring those two worlds together.